What's up, Ryker owners? Brandon here with Slingmods.com. Today we're happy to introduce our Tufskinz replacement emblem sets for the Can-Am Ryker and Ryker Rally. The wait is finally over. We now have two different replacement emblem sets available for the Can-Am Ryker. First up, we have our Y Series emblem set. And then next is our R Series emblem set. Both of these kits feature three replacement emblems that replace the factory BRP emblems that came equipped on your Can-Am Ryker. One for the front of the bike, one for the rear of the bike, and one just above the factory gauge cluster. Now, if you're unfamiliar with our Tufskinz products, these aren't some cheap vinyl decals. This material is thick and pliable and is topped with a UV-resistant coating to protect against the elements. They're also backed with a 3M adhesive tape to keep the emblem securely in place. The base material is comprised of a matte black substrate to match the sinister looks of the Ryker body panels, while the letter Y and letter R are fully customizable with over 24 different color options to choose from, giving your Ryker a very unique and custom look. Now, the installation is pretty straightforward, so allow me to walk you through the installation process on one of our shop Rykers. So start by carefully peeling off the factory emblems and the adhesive left behind. You can even briefly use a heat gun or hair dryer to help in this process. Then be sure to clean off any and all excess residue left behind before cleaning the surface area with an alcohol wipe and letting that sit for a minute to dry. Now, the manufacturer recommends installing with a surface temperature between 72 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure maximum adhesion. Next, peel off the protective backing tape, line it up so that it's nice and straight, and then press down firmly to adhere into place. And then just repeat that same process for the other two emblems. And there you have it, folks. You're now rocking and rolling with a custom set of emblems that'll be sure to set your Ryker apart from the pack. So if either our Y Series or R Series emblems are on your mod list, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab a set of emblems for your Ryker. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Ryker. I'm Brandon, signing out. Till next time.